When making various videos using the camera equipment I got, there's one annoying thing, that's the adapters that connect the camera to the tripod or device that's holding the camera. They're all different. I did look on Amazon to find an adapter plate that would fit all and found the Neewer professional aluminium alloy quick shoe plate. These can be found on both Amazon and eBay. I will leave a link in the description where I got mine from, but they are available and can be got in many places. I do use a good variety of different devices to hold the cameras, and due to them being extremely cheap, I did order 10 of these adapters. These adapters are made from aluminium alloy and they do have a 1/4 and a 3/8 screw. Depending upon the size of screw that you need, the one that you do not need can be removed quite easily. The red locking nut makes the quick release plate more stable and prevents the loosening and sliding of the plate. To remove the sliding plate, you need to press the red safety pin. For its cheap price point, these are extremely well made and of good quality. All the cameras that I use, they use the 1/4 inch screw. As mentioned earlier, it does come with a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 screw. There is a small rubber bung that needs to be removed first. This will enable you to slide out both of the pins, but only select the one that you want. When you've selected it, simply push back the rubber bung. The bung is quite tight, so there may be a bit of pressure required both removing and replacing it. Once the bung is in place, this will prevent the screw from falling out of the plate. There are forward facing arrows on both the plate and the slider. This will give you indication which way the camera lens should be pointing when fitted to this plate. There are other holes in the adapter and this enables more connections to be made possible. It is a very simple procedure to connect the quick shoe plate adapter to your tripod or whatever device that you need to connect it to. With your original adapter on your tripod, this simply connects onto the shoe plate adapter. Quite simply, where you would fit your camera onto your tripod slider plate, you put the adapter plate on in its place as shown. There are a few holes on the adapter plate. Select the hole that would be more central on the plate that would fit onto your tripod. There is a slider plate already on my tripod and I fixed this adapter plate onto that as shown. This is what makes these quick shoe adapter plates so handy. As you can see here, the quick shoe adapter plate does not look out of place when fitted onto the tripod. Remember, when fitting the adapter plate onto the tripod, the arrows are forward facing. There is a small spring-loaded peg that is used on some cameras, can be removed if required. With everything fitted on the tripod here now, it's time to connect the camera onto the slider plate. Remember, the camera orientation or the way it points is in the same direction as the arrow. With everything lined up and the camera in position, tighten up the screw. A small coin can be used or screwdriver to do this. This can now be fed in from the back of the plate as shown. The safety pin prevents the camera sliding out accidentally. When your camera is in the correct position on the plate, simply rotate clockwise the lever to tighten it. You can adjust the resting place of the lever. This is done by simply pulling on the lever and rotating the lever around to the position that you require. Pressing the red safety button will enable you to remove the slider from the adapter. It is a simple case now of going around all the other equipment and tripods that you have to change each of the plates, as we did with the tripod shown earlier. Now that I've fitted the adapter plates on everything that I own with regards to my camera equipment, it makes it so easy to swap and change. I did say earlier that the spring-loaded peg can be removed quite easily. This is simply a case of using a Phillips head screwdriver, undoing the small screw, and the whole of the mechanism will come away with ease as shown. With some cameras, this small peg will need to be removed. It will get in the way. With this Neewer quick shoe plate adapter, it makes it so simple now for me to swap from camera to camera or camera to another tripod or slider without the drama of having to take everything apart to do so. I have also fitted these on my LED lighting and microphones. This really has made my life easy when doing my filming and saves me quite a lot of time, and everything that I use now I know is safe and secure on these new quick shoe plate adapters. If you are in the market for a quick shoe plate adapter, this is definitely one worth considering. I hope you found this information of use to you. Thank you for watching.